Hey there, house cleaning business owners. It's Justin, and today I want to talk about being a cleaning closer. And what does being a cleaning closer means? It means that basically it's phone sales, right? Most of the time across the country, the highest volume of leads turn into sales in the house cleaning world through a phone call, right? I mean, some people will fill out a booking form, right on your website and all those kind of dream scenarios. But at the end of the day, it's a phone call, especially businesses that are at scale. And basically, it's going to save you a lot of time, be more profitable if you can sell on the phone. Walkthroughs are cool. I'm not saying they're not, and if you can sell, good recurring cleans off a walkthrough, then go from the phone call to a walkthrough. Boom. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you're trying to sell on the phone, first, you got to answer the phone. So many people, really. And then if once you answer the phone, you don't want to be kind of sounding like a bummer or whatever. It's like, boom, hey, how's it going? What's up? How can I help? Really, this is super important. This goes a long way toward the sale. And then, once you answer energetically and are ready to help, we found that actually being able to create an accurate estimate quickly, we've actually helped create an estimate calculator for our clients that basically spits out all the different options and has some sliders for bedrooms, bathrooms, dirt factor. It looks a little bit like one of those online booking forms, but it's only for, internal use, and it spits out all the numbers from move out, deep clean, everything all at one time, bi-weekly, monthly, so you can actually position offers and sales and know all the stuff really quickly. So that really helps with the professionalism and the speed on the phone call. So whatever you're doing, having all of your numbers as best as possible right there on the fly really goes a long way toward the effortlessness and the efficiency of that sales call. And let's see, so you get them on the phone and they've got problems, right? So what is it? What are you not happy with, with the way things are going, with the cleaning at your house? Do you have a service right now that's not, doing what they need to do, or you want things done a different way, or you're tired of doing it yourself or whatever? So you want to kind of consult them and be an advisor and, ask those questions until you really kind of uncover how they see the problem, right? And a lot of times the solution to that problem, once you really get into it, is going to be some type of deep cleaning service. Is typically a really good solution, and it's also a nice profitable one for you that's easily going to pay for, whatever marketing lead gen you had that got the phone to ring. So really kind of leaning toward that deep clean, if it is the right fit for them, is often a really good way to go. And then having some innovative offers and downsells, or kind of like the walkthrough parachute if you are still doing walkthroughs. Some people close 2-3 walkthroughs a day for recurring service. Boom. It can be profitable. So if you're at, if that fits your business, then, having that, if you don't get that sale right on the phone, having that walkthrough option is, one way to go that we've seen, be really effective. Or just having some nice innovative offers and downsells, to a, package of recurring, or to, there's so many ways to do this. I don't want to give out, so having some good innovative offers that, shoot toward the recurring side, that keep people to stick around, so many months and then get a free clean. There's a bunch of different ways to do this. This isn't like an offer talk, but having those things available for you can really help on that closing side, especially if there's friction on the deep clean or the deep clean price, or they don't want to do the walkthrough or whatever. You need to have a few options, and being able to have those numbers and be able to put that together right there on the fly is super helpful, and to be able to do that quickly and professionally. So it'll really help you stand out, and especially if they've seen reviews, you can even guide them to your website while you're on the call, that kind of thing, and kind of seeing your team, and kind of your review profile can really go a long way in helping close those people who are kind of on the fence. So there you go. And we're also seeing a lot of folks either take the payment, upfront, or take a deposit, or, some folks are still, charging, when they actually just, the day of the cleaning. But we really don't see a heck of a lot of friction to, either paying up front or, paying a deposit to get on the calendar. So that can get some money in the door, really quickly as well. So those are just a few notes on selling that maybe you haven't considered, and things that we're seeing people do out there that are being effective and helping them grow their business like crazy. So cool. See you guys. Peace out.